Hello. We purchased a Lenovo Flex last year. That would have been late 2020 for our daughter to take to college. And it's had a few problems. The web camera doesn't work. The unit overheats. And the keyboard and the trackpad only work intermittently. I'm going to turn it over to show you the serial number and to confirm all of the specs on it, the model number and everything are all right there. So the keyboard miraculously seems to be working right now, which is interesting. It's been through the repair depot twice, and I'll show you that paperwork here in a minute, but I want to show you that the webcam doesn't work. So you click here, type in web camera, go up, click on camera. We can't find your camera. Okay, so these are I've taped out the personal information, but these are the times that it's been through the repair facility. That was this particular one was on December 22nd, 2020. This other one then went in January 27th, 2021. Both times it came back from Lenovo's repair facility saying that everything was fine. They had fixed it, and of course it all kept on same problems. Nothing was ever fixed. Here's the review that I left on Amazon. I put that in paint to get rid of anything personal on the top so that you could see the review on Amazon that we left. Amazon won't do anything about the warranty because they only warranty for 30 days. After that, it falls back on the manufacturer. And Lenovo refuses to refund the purchase price. So we're going to court, and I'll let you know maybe if I get back to this. But we're going to court soon to get our money back.